Welcome to your tutorial on coding a controller in Scratch Junior with me, Miss Green at Hoyas in Ed. Let's begin by opening Scratch Junior on your Apple device and tap on the blue plus sign to create a new project. We want to delete the Scratch Cat and create our own directional signs. So let's do that, create our blank character, and go into the Paint Editor. The main tools we're going to use in the Paint Editor are the triangle and the line drawing tools. Now I want to create using a kind of a fun paint, and so we're going to use pink for this directional arrows. Use the fill bucket to fill in our triangle, and then choose the line thickness to complete your arrow. Once that character is done, I'm just going to drag it down here on our stage and continue to create all 4 of the directional arrows. So the down arrow, the left arrow, and the right arrow. And you're going to notice as I go, if I find that the sprite is too big on the stage, I just go into those looks blocks and press the look block that resizes it to be a little bit smaller. Now, since this is in honor of NASA, I want to create a space shuttle with our astronaut. So use your Apple Pencil or figure and resize using those look blocks. And once you have the size that you like, we're ready to code. So we have our 4 directionals and we have our main sprite, which is our astronaut in our USA shuttle. So we want to take a look at the types of blocks that we're going to use to create our directionals. Now to program our directional arrows, we're going to be using the on touch, the send message, and receive message. So you're going to see here that on my down arrow, I'm going to send a red message to my astronaut. He's going to receive that red message and he's going to go down 1 block on that stage. I'm going to do the exact same thing for my left arrow here. When I touch the left arrow on the stage, he's going to send a yellow envelope to my astronaut, and I'm going to go back down to the astronaut code. I'm going to make sure that I have the yellow envelope. I'm going to go into the motion blocks and put that directional motion block there. The trick here is to code according to the directional and then going back into my astronaut and making sure that I have the right envelope and the right directional motion block paired together so that there's no bug in my code. So once I have all 4 directionals, I'm going to go to my stage, I'm going to enlarge it and make sure that I get to see the full project page. I'm testing it by pressing on the different directional buttons. Now if I want to change just moving 1 space to the left, etc., I can go here into the grid view and see that little blue highlighted block. That tells me where on the grid or on the stage my directional arrows will take my astronaut in his USA shuttle. So I can increase it by 2, 3, or 4, whatever the parameter I want to use. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for more, stay tuned.